In this tutorial, I want to share with you how to use the Dropbox. This Dropbox is a cloud-based software or platform that lets you to keep your documents or files synchronized between devices and even on cloud and on your computer. Okay, so you can have files on your computer and you can synchronize them to the cloud, and you can easily access them using any device elsewhere. Depending on the location, wherever you are, you can access your files using Dropbox. Okay, once you have a Dropbox account. So Dropbox help you to keep work and life organized, moving all in one place. So find the plans for you. Dropbox gives you secure access to all of your files. Collaborate with friends, family, and colleagues from any device. Okay, from any device and from any part of the world. So you can store and synchronize, you can share, you can stay secured, and you can collaborate with people. All right, so this is just a bit on the benefits provided by Dropbox, how you use Dropbox for work, for personal use, depending. So to get to Dropbox, all you need to do is to come to dropbox.com, and it's going to bring you over here. So right now you can see get more out of Dropbox by connecting with the tools you love. Okay, you can connect via Zoom, Slack, Adobe Creative Cloud, Microsoft Office, Google Space, Google Workspace, Trello, Canvas, and Asana. So many of the features are incorporated and integrated to Dropbox. You can use them together. Okay, so you can check out the pricing. You have the personal and work plan. You can check out the features. Storage 3000 gigabytes, that's about 3 terabytes, and it's 5000 when you are going for the standard, and when this is for advanced, and when you are going for the advanced feature. But for this, you can try for free if you want. So let's say we are trying for free, 30 days free trial. Okay, so once you log into your account, this is where you are going to get into. So this is my Dropbox home. The first thing you need to do is you can add files to this. Okay, so you can create a new file. So let's say you can create a new file. You can upload at the top right here. You can see you can upload files. You can upload a folder. You can create a new folder, bring in new shared folder and new automated folder. Okay, so let's say we are going to create a new folder, and we call it my backup. So for you to have the best experience with Dropbox, usually you have to download the app. So I have to download the app so I can have it in my desktop or within my computer, and I can synchronize my data accordingly. So let's download Dropbox app and see. Okay, so it has just downloaded Dropbox, so we'll click to install. So we just click to have it installed on our system, so we can always log in and use it. So we'll click on continue. Okay, so right now it is installing Dropbox. Okay, so right now it has just finished installation. So it will ask you to set up Dropbox on your phone. So you can set up Dropbox on your phone to finish. As soon as it has finished, you can see it has just opened a fresh Dropbox file folder from here. So this is a Dropbox folder. You can always see the folder called Dropbox here. Okay, and you can see it over here within your computer. It's called Dropbox. So whatever you put over here is going to automatically be synchronized with your Dropbox on the cloud. So let's say on this my backup, I want to put in 1 or 2 folders, and then we can see how we are going to synchronize it. Okay, so let's say on my desktop, I want to put in a single folder. So let's say this thumbnail, I want to put it. So I just drag and drop it in this my Dropbox file, and you see it's going to be automatically synchronized. Okay, it has just been synchronized based on this small tick, the green tick. It shows it has been synchronized to the cloud. And you can always know that by coming to this small arrow and just check it over here. So Dropbox, you can just click and you can see it has just synchronized, and you can copy the link from here and check over other features. You can open the file online, or you can open it from this drive, or you can share the link. You can copy this link and share with people, or you can show in File Explorer, or you can show on Dropbox.com. So once you click on show in Dropbox.com, it's going to take you to the cloud, and it's going to show you this particular folder. Or you can come all the way down here, and it can bring you up to this folder. Okay, whenever you click, it's going to open the Dropbox folder. So once you come to this drop arrow, and you can come all the way up here, you can open the Dropbox folder from here, or you can access, or you can check on open notifications, and you can search for files. You can check or sync history. So today you've synchronized this. keep your PC files backed up. Okay, now you can show this. Okay, so over here you have your profile. You can check on your profile. You can view sync issues. You can snooze. You can allow notification preferences. You can select. You can add other team account to this very account. But your account right now has 2 GB of storage. Let's check out the Dropbox Online to see whether our file has just been synchronized or not. Okay, so here we are back Dropbox file. So you can check over here. We have my backup that I just created. Once you click on it to open, you can see the thumbnail that I have just uploaded just now. Okay, and you are free to select it and do multiple things. Okay, for example, you can download it, or you can open it directly from here, or you can move it to a given folder, or you can copy it and paste it somewhere, or you can come to the 3 dots and do many more things, such as opening in photos and previewing on Dropbox and connecting with other apps as well. You can download this and you can move it, you can copy, you can rename it, you can delete it, you can add comments, you can pin to a particular place, maybe to your taskbar or to the front dashboard, or you can star it, put it as important as start document, and you can always see it over here. You can save as a PDF or a JPEG depending on what kind of document is it. You can check the version history and show in File Explorer as well. So much to do, so much to learn. You can just feel free to try it. And you can create a new folder. You can click on this create to create a new folder, automated folder, document, presentations using PowerPoint, Google Slides. You can do everything inbuilt within Dropbox. Okay, you can check out on spreadsheet. You can check out Excel's workbook and Google Sheets as well. So you have the 2 of them. You can work online as well, and you have many more. You can have shortcuts, you can have Dropbox paper template, and check out and edit to your liking and make custom documents. Okay, so over here you have the recent documents, you have start documents, you have photos, you have shared items that I shared with you on Dropbox. You can easily see them here, and you can file requests from here. You can check out deleted files, even though they have certain period of time in which they can expire and they can be deleted permanently. So feel free to try it, to explore it, to maybe subscribe for the free version, or if you want to get in more subscription or more storage, you can always come to upgrade your account. Right now we have my account here. You can check on upgrade features. Okay, you can change the look of the content. Okay, from this view, from the grid view, now it is set to list view. You can change to large grid, and you can see the document over here, or you can change it to grid view. You can see it just small. Okay, you can change it also to large list, and you can see it in the large form. So you can share your content directly with Dropbox. You can share directly, or you can use this to kind of collapse this feature. Okay, and you have a bunch of properties that you can check from here. Okay, so feel free to try it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you do, remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.